In this video, we'll take a look at how we can start a slicer strategy, or SC, in the Volven terminal. First, we will go to the ticker module and click on either buy or sell to create a strategy. A dialog window will pop up and we can select the SC strategy from the top bar. Let's choose the size of the order first by typing into the cell or use the slider to choose the percentage of your available balance you want to trade. Second, you can choose Always Passive. This flag guarantees you to place order in the order book rather than execute the trades immediately. Let's leave this unselected. Third, as an optional parameter, you can choose a price limit. If not chosen, the strategy will execute trades wherever the market is. Let's choose plus 1% of the current market price as price limit. Last parameter to customize the strategy is the duration. This determines for how many minutes the strategy should distribute the trades. Let's leave this at 15 minutes. Click Launch to start the strategy.